Hi, good evening, dear students and aspirants. I am Kasimappa, assistant teacher from Real Coaching Classes in the Nuru. Dear students and aspirants, as we have already started that GPSTR preparation classes for 2026 examinations. In this today's session, paper 1 English is also one of the subject which is also play very important role in that exam. For that reasons, I have chosen that beautiful topic, that is articles. About the articles, I have taken 10 multiple choice questions regarding to that topic. Okay, dear students, as you are watching that first question, I saw dash. Yes, I saw dash elephant in the zoo. Option A, option B, and option C, the, option D, no articles. Yes, which one is right answer, yes? Here, before going to bubble the answers or choose the correct answer, we should think it first. The usage of articles, when we have to use a, when we have to use an, when we have to use the. Here, remember, yes, here A is using in front of, here when the consonants are the words which are begins with consonants, I mean that except A, E, I, O, U, whatever the words will be there, that word must and should be begin with consonants. The next an is used behind the vowels A, E, I, O, U. Right. The, here the usage is most important. The we are using, the you are using for the words the capital cities and famous places and directions. For these reasons, and the is the definite article which we should be use, that should be famous. I mean that that is the best. With that also superlative words, suppose best, greatest, most beautiful, tallest, like that we are using that the. Okay, dears, for the first question answer is an. Option, yes, option B. Option B is there, no? Yes. Option B is there. That is the answer. Yes, an. The right answer is an. The next question I go with that. Second question, as you are observing. Yes. She is dash honest girl. Honest. Here, especially a and an, when you are using the sounds also most important. Here honest this word begins with consonant, but here the phonics, I mean that sound should be in vowels. For that reason, she is an honest girl. Option B is right answer. She is an honest girl, not she is a honest girl. Right? Yes, here A is using in front of the consonants, but here H is the consonant, but its phonics is the vowels. For that reasons, we are using an. The next question, question number 3. Yes. He bought dash book yesterday. Yes, here this word book begins with consonant, so we can use simply he bought a book. Option A is right answer. he bought a book yesterday. Option A is right answer. The next question I go with that. Yes. Question number 4. Dash sun rises in the east. Yes, I told already. Here, sir, can I use a? No. No. You may ask question. Sir, sun, this word here begins with S. S is a consonant. Can I use a? No. Here sun is the only one which is most, sun knows everybody in this world. It is most popular, right? It is only one alone thing in the world. So we can use for this is the sun. Option C is right answer. The sun rises in the east. Option C is the right answer. The next question I go with that. Question number 5. Yes, question number 5. Yes, question number 5. Yes, observe please. Okay. The next, yes, I need dash umbrella because it is raining. Yes, first word is here. This word umbrella begins with the vowel U. For that reason, you can use I need an umbrella. I need an umbrella because it is raining. That is the right answer. The next question I go with that. Question number 6. Yes, she is dash teacher in our school. Teacher, this word observed years. Here, this word begins with T. T is the consonant. Right. She is a teacher. Option A is right answer. She is a teacher in our school. Not she is an teacher. Not she is the teacher in our school. No. Right. Here the right answer is she is a teacher in our school. Option A is right answer. The next question I go with that. Question number 7. Dash Ganga is a holy river. Ganga, the rivers, for the rivers also we are using the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Brahmaputra. Okay, for all rivers we are using the. For this reason, option C is the right answer for this question. The Ganga is a holy river, not a Ganga is a holy river, not an Ganga is a holy river. The right answer is option C. The next question, dears, I go with that. Question number 8. He is dash MLA of this area. Yes, very interesting question. Here MLA, here M is a consonant, there is no doubt in that. But here M, we are pronouncing like M. Sorry. Yes, M. Yes. M, how can you pronounce it? M. Right? So, here M, when we are pronouncing M, this word in pronunciation in phonics, we can see E. E is a vowels. For this reason, option B is the right answer. E is an MLA of this area. Option B is right answer. The next question, dears, question number 9. Yes, question number 9. This is dash best answer. Superlative degrees, dear friends, I told already. Whenever the superlative words are there, behind that we have to use definite article the. For this reason, for this question, option C is the right answer. Yes, the this is the best answer, right? Yes, for superlative words we are using the. Remember, yes, note down it. The next question and last question in this session. Yes, last question. She has dash one-eyed cat. She has one-eyed cat. Here you can ask here very interesting one one. This word begins with vowel O, right? Can we use an? No. One one. Yes, here we can see pronunciation as V. One. For this reason, V is a consonant. For that reason, she has a one-eyed cat. She has a one-eyed cat. Option A is the right answer. Okay, dear students and aspirants, as much as possible, I tried to share my knowledge regarding to the GPSTR exams, and with these questions, varieties of questions I have discussed with you, and make it notes. With that also, this type you can prepare your own questions, more than 100 regarding to one topic. Definitely you will get a chance to pass it your GPSTR exam. Thank you, dear students, and thank you all.